To add more languages to your Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open an app where you can use your Samsung keyboard as the example while writing a new note in the Note app. Tap the settings icon on the toolbar above the keyboard. Tap languages and types. Next, tap manage input languages. Here you can see the list of available languages. Tap the gray on offset next to the desired language you like to add to your keyboard. As the example, we will select French. To find it quickly, you can tap the search icon at the top of the screen and then type the language. To see the result, go back to the app where you can use the keyboard. Swipe the spacebar to see all languages that have been added to the keyboard. As you can see, the selected language, in this case French, has been added to your keyboard. Given to the function, adding more languages to your keyboard will help you to communicate with more easily in different languages without switching apps or struggling with autocorrect errors. It also will help you type faster, use the right accent or characters, and express yourself naturally with the right language. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.